This is the Alien reader. It's an RFID reader, and in order to get the Brady software on there, you have to get the files on this system. You can either do it with a cable down in the back, lightning cable, or not lightning cable, USB-C to your PC and then drag them over, or you can load them onto an SD card and stick it in here, okay? There's an instruction for how to do that. Once you have it there, you have to load the APK file for the Tag Commander program from Brady, and then also you need to include a license file. So that's what we're going to start with, trying to figure out what the IMEI number is for this unit, so that the license code itself will, it's specific to that IMEI number. So we go into settings all the way down at the bottom, says about device, then status, then IMEI, and we're looking at slot 1, not slot 2, and that is the IMEI number that needs to be matched to provide the proper license number from Brady, okay? Okay, so when you receive a license key code, we typically will prepend the IMEI number to it, but that has to be changed before we can load it. So we're going to rename this file and just get rid of that IMEI number, so that we're left with the file name that just says license.xml, right? And that file, I'm going to cut it and paste it. I don't copy it here. This is on an SD card. So come to the top again. Now we're going to go into internal storage, Android, data, and oh, we haven't installed the program, so let's go back. So pause. So the APK file is what we need to load, and again, in this particular case, I've put it on an SD card, so it's here. So we're just going to double tap it, and it'll ask to install. It doesn't take long. When it comes, we open it, it'll come up and say that it doesn't have a proper license code. So application is not authorized. So we've solved that problem. Notice your version numbers down here as well. 10112 is the latest one as of June 2020. So we'll go back to the home page here. We'll find the license file, which is right here. We renamed it, right? So I'm going to copy it, and we'll go back up to the following internal storage location. So internal storage, Android, data, com.brady.ata, files, and then hold again, and we're going to paste it there. Now when we go back, at this point I'm going to actually load this down on the little system bar here too. Now we can load ATA Tag Assistant. It'll come up with an agreement for the first time you run it, and it connects, and our program is now licensed and ready to use. You can use this to read a tag. So I'll pull the trigger. Oops, sorry. I guess I don't have something. There we go. All right, screw that. Okay, so just to check this, I have a tag, and I'm just going to stick it in front of the reader here. Try to hold it in place while I do this. So we'll hit read, pull the trigger, and I should come up with at least one tag. There we go. And highlight it, and then hit next. It'll go out and read the rest of the memory banks that are there. All right. And it'll show you the birth record, current data record, scratch pad. I can add data to the scratch pad. I'll put in a fake code for a cage code, action date, and any text you want. Right? Hit next, and now it'll write to the tag. It'll go back after it said success. It'll go back and try to read it one more time, validating that everything is kosher there, and then we're done. You can always hit done, go back to the main menu. To commission a tag means to create one from scratch. You can also duplicate a tag. So if you're replacing a tag, you can clone it, create a new one in case the other one is physically damaged, and so forth.